Emma and Lucas had been together for many years, always supporting each other through ups and downs. Life hadn't been easy, but they shared a strong love that kept them going. One year, Lucas lost his job. He searched every day, had struggled to find new work. He felt ashamed and worried about their future, but Emma reminded him, "No matter what, I'm here with you. We'll get through this together." She found small jobs to help pay the bills, doing everything she could to support them. Some days were hard, and Lucas felt down, but Emma never gave up on him. She encouraged him to keep going and believe in himself. Then one rainy afternoon, Lucas got a call for a job interview. With Emma's encouragement, he went to the interview with hope and determination. Days later, he received the job. Lucas felt a deep sense of gratitude. He realized that true love is about standing by each other, no matter what challenges come their way. Emma had believed in him when he doubted himself and showed him that love is strongest when times are tough. Moral: true love is not only about the good times, but also about supporting each other through difficult moments. Real love stands strong no matter what life brings. Support: definition: to help or stand by someone during difficult times. Example: Emma offered support to Lucas when he was feeling down. Encourage: definition: to give someone confidence or hope. Example: Emma encouraged Lucas to believe in himself during his job search. Believe: definition: to have faith or confidence in someone or something. Example: Emma believed in Lucas even when he doubted himself. Challenge: definition: a difficult situation that tests one's strength. Example: losing his job was a big challenge for Lucas. Gratitude: definition: a feeling of thankfulness or appreciation. Example: Lucas felt deep gratitude for Emma's support. Stand by: definition: to remain loyal and supportive. Example: Emma promised to stand by Lucas no matter what happened. Determination: definition: a strong feeling to keep trying and not give up. Example: with Emma's support, Lucas went to his job interview with determination. Believe in: definition: to have faith in someone's abilities. Example: Emma believed in Lucas and his potential to succeed. Hope: definition: a feeling of wanting something to happen. Example: Emma gave Lucas hope during his artist days. Strength: definition: the ability to deal with tough situations. Example: their love showed strength through life's challenges. Encouragement: definition: words or actions that make someone feel confident and motivated. Example: Emma's encouragement helped Lucas stay positive. Determined: definition: having a strong desire to do something even when it's difficult. Example: Lucas was determined to find a new job. I hope you love the story as much as I enjoyed sharing it. Don't forget to subscribe for more great stories. Come back soon, and until then, keep spreading kindness